Welcome back to Car Look, the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a stunning revival of one of America's most iconic luxury sedans. Cadillac is bringing back the Fleetwood name with a vengeance, and this isn't just nostalgia marketing. The 2026 Fleetwood Brougham represents everything modern luxury should be: bold, sophisticated, and unapologetically American. After decades away from showrooms, this nameplate returns with cutting-edge technology wrapped in that unmistakable Cadillac presence that commands respect on any road. The exterior design is absolutely breathtaking. Cadillac's designers have masterfully blended classic Fleetwood proportions with contemporary styling cues that scream premium luxury. The signature illuminated Cadillac crest dominates the front fascia, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that extend into the sculpted fender lines. The chrome accents aren't overdone. They're strategically placed to enhance the vehicle's stately presence without looking gaudy. Those gorgeous 22-inch wheels fill the wheel wells perfectly, giving the Fleetwood that commanding stance we've been missing in the luxury sedan segment. The profile is pure elegance, with a flowing roofline that doesn't sacrifice rear headroom for style. And that rear end? Spectacular. The full-width taillights create a modern interpretation of classic Cadillac design language, while the dual exhaust tips hint at the performance lurking beneath this luxurious exterior. Step inside, and you're immediately transported into what can only be described as a mobile palace. The cabin is draped in premium leather that feels buttery soft to the touch, with genuine wood trim that rivals anything you'll find in a Bentley or Rolls-Royce. The front seats are more like executive recliners, offering massage functions, heating, cooling, and seemingly infinite adjustment possibilities. The rear seats are the Fleetwood truly shines as a chauffeur-driven luxury vehicle. Passengers enjoy acres of legroom, individual climate controls, and entertainment screens integrated seamlessly into the seatbacks. The panoramic sunroof bathes the entire cabin in natural light, while the premium audio system delivers concert hall quality sound that makes every journey a first-class experience. Technology integration is flawless throughout. The curved OLED display spans the entire dashboard, providing intuitive access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology comes standard, making highway cruising effortless and safe. Under the hood, the 2026 Fleetwood Brougham packs Cadillac's most advanced powertrain yet. The twin-turbocharged V8 engine produces an impressive 550 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, delivering the kind of effortless acceleration that luxury sedan buyers expect. Despite this power, the advanced cylinder deactivation technology ensures respectable fuel economy during relaxed cruising. The magnetic ride control suspension adapts instantly to road conditions, providing that famous Cadillac float while maintaining precise handling when the road gets twisty. All-wheel drive comes standard, ensuring confident performance in all weather conditions. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham starts at $89,995 for the base premium luxury trim, positioning it directly against the BMW 7 Series and Mercedes S-Class. The range-topping Platinum model, loaded with every conceivable luxury feature, reaches $125,000. Yes, it's a significant investment, but when you consider the level of craftsmanship, technology, and presence you're getting, the Fleetwood represents exceptional value in the ultra-luxury segment. The 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham isn't just a car, it's a statement. It announces that American luxury is back and better than ever. This is Car Look, and we'll see you in the next video.